So even with better data, faster models, and AI everywhere, right? It's harder than ever to separate signal from noise. What we have, though, really is not a data problem. We now have a perception problem. Think about it from a neurobiological perspective. You already have access to a highly advanced perceptual system. Your brain, your body, and your nervous system are all tuned to pick up on signals that data doesn't catch. Why? Because we evolved to operate in uncertainty. Think about a hunter. A hunter didn't survive by analysis or their logical mind. They sensed danger, opportunity, timing, and subtle shifts in their environment. The terrain has changed, yes. The hunt is on the screen now, but your brain and biology hasn't. And you felt it. Something might look clean on paper, but something also feels off. Or you've seen a colleague exit perfectly, even when the data didn't scream it. It's not luck, it's physics. It's perception. It's real-time signals from another layer of information. I call this full spectrum perception. Like a dolphin with sonar or an IoT device pinging the cloud, you're picking up on so many invisible signals all day. You just might miss them because you're stuck in your head, thinking too much, or buried in your screen. You just might be missing out or not fully aware of all of this invisible information. But it is a natural and trainable human skill. The ability to detect and interpret the critical signals that don't show up in the data but absolutely move the outcome. And think about most models, right? They tell you what's already happened, but perception picks up on what's forming or maybe where we're actually headed, especially in crazy times and volatility right now, right? In practice, if you use this full spectrum perception, let's say you're analyzing companies or reading a report, it can help you read under the hood, sense risk or bottlenecks and things that haven't been priced yet. During a trade, it acts like a green light or a hidden alarm system. On exits, it can help you recognize when staying in stops being signal and starts being hope. Look, it's not a gift, it's a muscle. You train it with practice. You get stronger with reps. Traders can use it to catch what others miss. PMs can use it to read their teams and manage risk under pressure. And when the whole desk is trained, the edge multiplies. So if this resonates and you're curious about training this skill, the full spectrum perception in a clear and tangible way, also pretty fun, send me a message. Look, you've already got the edge. Let's just sharpen it.